None shall pass.
I'm sorry.
None shall pass.
But
I move for no man.
I can't argue against anything you're saying.
Then you shall die.
But then again, I don't have to, because you're 12 years old.
Right, I'll do you for that.
Let's face it.
Come on, you pansy.
You're probably a much more intelligent person than I am.
Oh, had enough, eh?
In fact, I guarantee it.
All right.
But even smart kids stick their finger in an electrical socket sometimes.
Oh, I see.
It takes time to figure things out.
How about you?
What's your rush?
Come here.
You got your whole life in front of yourself.
No, it isn't.
Ahead of you, I mean.
Yes, I have.
Look.
Come on, then.
Muscle.
Chicken.
What's your rush?
Chicken.
So are you.
Chicken.
It's very eloquent.
I'll bite your legs off.
It's been proven by history. All mankind makes mistakes.
I've heard worse.
It's our job to try to protect you from making the dangerous ones if we can.
Come on, then.
You're 12 years old.
'Tis but a scratch.
You're lost.
Just a flesh wound.
Look.
The Black Knight always triumphs. How about you?
It's very eloquent.
I'm invincible.
Anyway, that's what you're supposed to say.
Running away, eh?
Yes, I did.
You yellow bastards! Come back here and take what's coming to you!
I'm sorry for your loss.
Chicken!
She didn't love me back.
We call it a draw.